Earlier this week, there was a massive announcement from Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine 5 is officially released. Here's what you need to know. Unreal Engine is one of the industry-leading game development and 3D visualization engines. Epic Games is the owner of Unreal Engine. They've used the engine to make games like Fortnite and have a massive development fund that allows them to make resources available for free. This includes the engine itself, which you can download at unrealengine.com, massive asset libraries, example tools, basically everything you could need to start creating games in Unreal Engine. Earlier this week, they had a live stream announcing that the newest version of Unreal Engine 5, is now officially released. Unreal Engine 5 is a big deal for a lot of reasons. You can see them all on the release notes page. It's long, but two in particular are a big deal: Lumen and Nanite. Lumen is a global illumination and reflection system that allows Unreal Engine to render large-scale, realistic lighting in real time. This is a big deal because previously you had to do things like bake light maps and do other things to make your lighting look realistic, and it could take a long time to get those up and running. Nanite is a virtualized geometry system that allows the engine to quickly and intelligently render basically unlimited geometry. This is a big deal because it removes many of the limits we previously had for object geometry, allowing for much more detailed, realistic results. There are so many other tools in Unreal Engine 5 as well, but these two are giant game changers. You can see the rest on the release notes page. Epic Games also wanted users to be able to learn Unreal Engine 5 quickly and easily, so they've released multiple free resources to help people get up and going. The two newest are the City from The Matrix Awakens, which is a great example of how many of the new features were used to create a highly detailed city, and Lyra. Lyra is an example game built in Unreal Engine 5 that you can download and modify, both to learn Unreal Engine, but also to use as a base to create your own games. You can download both of these from the Unreal Marketplace for free. In addition, Unreal Engine 5 contains integrations for Quixel Megascans and for Sketchfab, allowing you to access large libraries of models directly inside the engine. If the models you want to create don't exist, they've also released an app that's currently in beta designed to help you create your own assets by scanning real-world objects. To help new users learn how to use the engine, Unreal has upgraded their forums and learning section, giving you access to things like forum posts, online tutorials, and code snippets. You can also add your own tutorials and code snippets to the forums as well. You can access these resources at forums.unrealengine.com. There are a large number of studios that have announced that they're building an Unreal Engine, including CD Projekt Red, the developers of the Witcher series, and Crystal Dynamics, the developers of the Tomb Raider series. There's really only one thing you need to know from all of this. Unreal Engine 5 is here. It's going to be awesome, and you can download it for free. So make sure you hit unrealengine.com and click the download button. So we're going to talk about these features more in depth in the future, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for future tutorials and news. So I'd also love to hear from you what you think about this quick digest format video in the comments down below as well. Do you like it? Should I do more of them? I just love having that conversation with you guys. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.